Alrighty folks, Brian with TNT over 50 coming at you again. I did this awesome recipe today that was just walking into the pantry and just starting to throw a few things into a bowl. But I made tuna patties or tuna cakes or whatever you want to call them. But here it is, real quick and easy from start to finish. From the time you start making it to the time you cook it is like 20 minutes. So 1 can of 7-ounce tuna. I've got just about 3/4 cup of Italian cheese, 1/4 cup, half a cup of onions, got some pickles and some cilantro. Throw that all in there. I got 2 eggs. Pasture raised, of course. The yolk it up. And I put just a few squirts of sriracha in there. Squeeze a little bit of lemon. And put 1 big old scoop of mayo. Okay, mix all that around. And again, this is really quick and easy. I saw a recipe on the internet, and I just kind of threw my own twist and stuff on it. So I actually added another egg and a little bit more cheese, and I mean you can add things to taste because this isn't like baking to where you have to have exact ingredients. But after you like mix it all up, get it something like that. Everything's all in there, and I use my air fryer on this. I've got Italian style breadcrumbs, and I just put enough in there to where, because you're gonna mix it all together. And then I've got these gluten-free panko breadcrumbs, and I just kind of poured some in there. I'm guessing I've got a whole combination, like maybe a 1.5 cups of the breadcrumbs. But once you get all that going on, and you don't want to have it like too moist, but you don't want to have it so dry to where when you press them together, it's not going to form. But what I noticed when I did put it in the air dryer about halfway through the cooking, when the cheese started melting, it kind of formed a patty. It was really cool. So, but you just take these suckers and seriously form up like a patty that you get at a restaurant or whatever. And I'm gonna go form these. I'm gonna put them in my air fryer on air crisp. It's like 390 degrees for, it was about 8 minutes. And you don't have to flip them or anything. You can just set them and forget them, go out there, and it's good to go. So, I mean, these things were so good. And when they came out, I just put a little bit of mayo and more sriracha over it, and I ate the whole thing. It was like 5 of them. So, I'll be right back at you. All right, that's it, folks. I just finished up. I actually threw some shrimp in my air fryer also. These things are really good too. But serve it up with whatever you want. I did a little bit of rice with some veggies in it and stuff, and just put a little bit more sriracha on the top, and it's good to go. So until next time, folks, see ya.